Rise to Design tutorials. Today we will learn how to make different types of vector design only from one vector. So let's begin the tutorial. So I've made an apple, an abstract of apple only from one design. So you can see three different kinds of apple. First one is the basic shape. Second, I have recolored it from the first one. And third, I have made prints on the apple. So let's begin with the tutorial. So I've taken an artboard of 6 inches by 6 inches. This is a picture that I have downloaded from Pinterest. You can download any kind of design from Pinterest, and it will help you to make a design. So I'll go to the layers, and this is my layer. I will lock this because I want to trace it. Okay, now I will go to new layer. Now I will take the pen tool. You can also type P on the keyboard. This is the shortcut key of the pen tool. So I'll draw it like this. Select Alt on the keyboard and again draw it. Alt on the keyboard and close the shape. Now if you want to correct it, you can correct it also. Like I want to change from here, and now I want to also change here. So this is the basic shape of the apple. I'll fill this color. Select I on the keyboard for the eyedropper tool and select this, or you can also select this color. Now I will also draw these leaves, and I will select new layer for it, and again go to pen tool and draw these shapes. You can change the color afterwards. You have to select Alt on the keyboard when you making the shape. Select Alt on the keyboard and it will change the line. Again draw this leaf. Select here, select here, and now this line is coming like this. When you want to stop this, select this point and select the Alt on the keyboard, and now close it and drag it like this. So like this you can make a design by using the pen tool on the keyboard. Now I will fill these colors. I will select all of them and change it to none. Now I can fill the background colors. Select I. First of all, select this, select I and fill this color. Again go to V for the selection tool and select this shape. Select I and fill this color. Again V, select I, You can arrange it to the front. Okay, so if I switch off my background layer, you can see this is how my apple is appearing. You can change it shape if you want, but I'm okay with this shape. Okay, so I'll group this and move it here. Now I want to change the colors, so I will use the recolor artwork tool. Now how you can use it, select this and drag it here and make a copy of this, and go to the recolor artwork here also, and you can also go to color guide. Here it is, and you can find the option recolor artwork here also. Edit or apply colors. So as you can see, it has transformed to the gray pattern, to the gray colors, but I want to change it. So I can change it like this. So this is the active one, the green. This is the green which has been changed. I don't want like this color, so I will drag it here somewhere like this, and you can see it's changing. So I like this olive green color. I don't like these, so I can also change them. See, it has changed to purple. I don't like this gray color, so I can change it whichever color I want. So like this, you can change the colors as you want, and your another design has been made from first basic shape. So there you go. Now if you want textures in this design, how you can make this, again I'll make a copy, but I'll make a copy on another layer. So what I will do, I'll go to my layers, and now I'll make a new layer. I'll copy this and paste it in my new layer. Control V. Okay. So for now, if I have my background layer, as you can see, I have 2-3 textures in it. So how I can achieve it? So for this, what you have to do is firstly ungroup this. Now take the knife tool. This is the knife tool. It's here in the eraser tool, scissors tools, and the knife tool. This is the group of the tools. So you can select the knife tool, and first of all select this apple and go to knife. And when you draw a line here, it has been cut to two parts. Now if you select the apple, you can see this is one shape and this is another shape. Now you can recolor it accordingly. If I have my background layer, you can see these are two shapes, and these are two colors also. I can fill it accordingly. If I want this color, I can fill this like this, and I can also draw this polka dot pattern in this shape. I can select this and go to new layer and create a new layer for the polka dots. I will take the brush tool, and select the white color. Okay, and increase the size to 10 points, and here you go. You can also decrease the size if you want, but I like this big dots in it. Okay, and you can also draw another big dot here like this. All right, and you can draw small dots on this blue leaf also. Change it to 3 points and change it color to white. Stroke none. See, we have made such a beautiful design out of only one for a vector design. So like this you can achieve three different kinds of pattern, vector design pattern, only from one basic shape. So that's it for today's tutorial. We'll meet in the next video. Bye bye till then.